This model kit review is of a combination, the Spitfire, and looks like it's probably a Mark 5 or a Mark 8, and the F-35B Lightning. And it includes glue and brushes and paint, basic paints really. Those are the two planes that you get, and it's by Airfix and it's 1/72nd scale. Got some nice box art here. So it is a Mark 5. And this is from 1941. There are the dimensions. There is the F-35B. Some details here about the kits. Got a little bit of box damage here. And there are some pictures of the finished models. That's kind of cool. The little planes there as the stand. So let's have a look inside and see what we've got. Well, let's have a look and see what we've got here. Looks like there's one kit. That's the F-35. There's the Spitfire. There's some paint and glue and some instructions. Well, let's have a look and start off with the Spitfire kits. And there is our cockpit canopy right there. We've got some recessed panel lines. That's very nice. Still have some oil on here that need to be washed off from the machine, from the mold. And very nicely molded. Got some little detail here on the inside of the wheel well for the wings. Here's the top, there's the bottom. Here's our stabilizer, and we've got the cannons there for the Mark 5. Here is the base, so that's a nice little feature there. We've got a pilot, and we've got a seat. There's our propeller. We've got our, that's for the propeller as well. It goes into the other side. And then there's the part for the stand. Okay, here is our fuselage, also nicely molded, recessed panel and rivet lines. We've got molded in wheel there. There's our radiator. There's the top there, including our top of the engine. That's including our exhausts. Got some landing gear with wheels, or you can have them up if you choose. And then there's the radio antenna there. So a little bit of detail here on the inside of the cockpit. Over here we've got, this is the F-35. Got quite a few more parts here. Well, let's start off here with our, there's the top of the fuselage and wings all molded together. Unfortunately, that is terribly warped, so, but it should be able to hopefully be bent back into position. But it was probably taken out of the mold too quickly. And recessed panel lines. We've got the nice air vent there with a giant fan that helps with vertical takeoff and landing. Here we've got the lower portion of the fuselage with wheel wells. Here's the nose wheel well with the bottom of the fuselage, nicely molded. Looks like a bulkhead that's going to go there. There's our tails. Over here, so this looks like this is our stand. Looks like we've got two of them. And there's the stand for the base. There's our air intake, part of the engine. Lots of pieces here. There's our pilot, and that's our ejection seat. Here's our nose wheel well covers, nose gear, and then the main gear wheels there. And then some of the body panels, including the funnels and exhaust. over here we've got glue, brushes and paints. And let's have a look at our instructions. We've got some decals here. So that is the full set of decals. Not very many, is it? So we might have to make some of our own. Those are the that's for both planes. Okay, well, let's have a look at our instructions here. So this is for the Spitfire first. Shows the parts listing there. We put together our cockpit there. Sorry, our fuselage first, and then the that's for the propeller. We put our wings together, and then put our seat in there. There is the underside of the Spitfire, and if you're going to have it flying, it might as well have the wheels up. But if you do want to have the wheels down, you can put those in there. And then the pilot goes in, as well as the propeller and the canopy. And then put it on the stand. Here is the parts listing for the F-35B. Start to build the fuselage, and put in the formers on the inside. Put the rest of the fuselage and wings together. Then the tail. Our seat goes in there. You're going to make a choice as to whether you're going to have it flying or landing. This is hover mode. So you're going to put together the exhaust, and then all the different body panels there for the wheel wells, as well as the front. And that's the top part there, and it's done. There's the canopy going on there, and that's if you want to mount it. However, if you want to have it down, the landing gear down, and the have it in hover mode, you have the exhaust pointed down like that, and then these are going to be open. Then the wheel wells are going to be open there. And you can put the landing gear in. Next, you're going to make the main gear and mount that inside the plane. Have everything opened up here for the air intakes, and have that as open there as well. There's our pilot going in again, and our canopy. It says not to glue. Really sure why you'd ever want it to fall off. And then mount that on the stand. So here is the decal and paint guide for the F-35. And on the other side here we have it for the Spitfire. And these seem to be simple decals here, but you can always make your custom ones. So all in all, I think that'll be a fun build.